The boat is freaking huge. Oh my god. Woo! I think this guy is scared of
exactly.
Exactly.
I feel amazing, to be honest.
Alright, so it's Meiji birthday! Happy birthday, baby!
Thank you.
What are you doing? You look so good.
I'm getting ready for my birthday.
Alright, so guys, the situation is that I told Meiji what her birthday gift is because essentially our maid quit her job today. She was supposed to stay with this one, but she quit. So now we have to take you on the boat as well. Yes, that's the situation. I'm gonna take her on the boat as well, so Meiji knows I'm taking her on a boat around the islands and eating some amazing dinner to the sunset. She knows the whole plan. It was a surprise, but I had to tell her because now this one has to come. And also we're gonna have two friends joining us to actually help with the baby, so we can have sometimes a little bit of chill time. Oh, they are here. There you go. Here's the babysitters. What's up?
Yolin. You and me.
This guy, Raviv.
You and me.
You guys recognize Raviv from Wealthy Dad Team and his son.
Wealthy son.
Wealthy son.
By the way.
Alright, so they told us that they want us to meet them at the pier. So we have to drive to the pier, and then I open Google Maps and the pier is like almost 50 minutes away. 1 hour drive to the freaking pier. But it's all good. So we're driving to the pier right now. It's pretty beautiful right here with the crew. And yeah, super excited. They're waiting for us. Apparently there's even a jacuzzi on the boat. Oh my god, imagine that. So private chef. Let's see what they have for us. Super excited. Beautiful freaking day. Let's go, man. Let's go. So exciting. Where is our boat? I don't see anything. Maybe it's there? Well, no, jokes aside, in 5 minutes the boat should arrive. It's called the Red Dragon, so I'm excited to see it. Gives me the pirate vibe. So we're gonna be pirating today, going to some crazy islands, eating on the boat, jacuzzi, everything. So excited, man. The boat is freaking huge. Oh my god. I didn't expect it. It's like a boat for like 30 people. The boat is freaking huge. We even have a jacuzzi here. Where's the water in the jacuzzi? This is sick. Okay, so we got informed that to actually have water in the jacuzzi, we need to get inside the seawater. The seawater gonna come into the jacuzzi. Hopefully there's no sharks coming with them, you know? This is what we're gonna be doing next, I feel. Woo! Go! I just learned some important information. This right here is Koh Samui, which is the island that we live in. And over there is the mainland, the actual mainland. And the electricity comes from the mainland to our island under the water in a pipe. Okay, which is pretty interesting. It's not so far from each other like I thought. And let's look right here. Over here is the Ten Island. That's the name, the Ten Island. There are people who actually live on this island, but dogs cannot go on this island. I asked my captain why. He said they die 30 minutes after they go to the island. I don't know if it's true, but he said he don't know why. There are animals, they're just not dogs. The dogs die if they go on the island, which is, he said it has to do with bats. There's caves with bats inside that make some noise that kills the dogs. I don't know, don't ask me. And over there, farther in the view, we have the actual island we're going on now, which is the Pig Island. Obviously, as it sounds, there's huge pigs, and he said some of them are angry. Like, did you mean hungry? No, angry. So are we going there? Well, let's see. Hopefully they're not gonna be too angry. Alright, so we're about to arrive to the Pig Island, which is literally right here behind us. And dude, we're so excited. It's been an amazing experience so far, huh?
Yes.
32 birthday, but this woman looks 26. Tell me she's not. Come on. But be careful, I'll kick your ass. We have found a pig. So this one is pregnant apparently, and she's really friendly, can pose photos with, but Hi Piggy! There she. Go stand next to the pig. Why no? I think this guy is scared of pigs. Exactly! Now it's time for a photo shoot. Right, so we finished with the Pig Island. It was so amazing. Got some great pictures. We saw the pigs, had some fun, and now we're gonna go eat on the boat with the sunset, so it's gonna be incredible. You can see the sunset right now, it's freaking amazing. The most important thing is Aiolian is sleeping. Alright, so now it's time for dinner with the sunset. Alright guys, so it's been so fun, huh? And they prepared dinner for us with the sunset, which you can see right there from the window. So it's pretty much perfect. How do you feel about your birthday so far?
I feel amazing, to be honest. And thank you, Danny, so much.
Did you know that I'll take you to an island on this crazy boat?
No, I didn't know. I did not expect this. But wow, he surprised, really surprised me.
Expect the unexpected.
Thank you.
Can you explain a little bit what's going on the table?
Yeah, this one green curry.
Green curry.
Vegetarian?
Vegetarian?
Vegetable.
Perfect.
Yeah, and salad and tempura, fried chicken.
Fried chicken, okay.
Yeah. Spring roll, vegetable also, and fried vegetable. Yeah,
Fried
tempura.
vegetable?
Yeah, with tempura.
These all vegetarian?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Only this.
Alright, so it's the end of the day.
Yeah.
I think one of the most epic birthdays that Meiji experienced, and also me, is one of the best experiences of my life.
Yes.
And now it's beautiful behind us. Check out the sky, it's like orange or something.
Orange or pink.
It's very beautiful when there is, you know, nothing that blocks it, buildings or anything, it's just the water and this. What a great experience, great day.
Great.
What you gonna do for my birthday?
It's secret.
Secret. Victoria's secret?
Yeah, we can
Awesome guys, hopefully you enjoyed essentially what is my first vlog ever, but there's gonna be many more, I promise. And I think it's already a really strong episode, so next one has to be hopefully as good. Thank you for watching. This is the Wealthy Dad Lifestyle. This is what it's all about, and let's absolutely crush it. Peace.